The first car owned by Emmerson Mnangagwa during his law studies at the University of Zambia was auctioned for a staggering 1.8 US million at the EDUNZA fundraising dinner in Harare on Thursday night, drawing criticism amid Zimbabwe's ongoing economic challenges. Zanabeda mashoko kudanyuka pangwana chinzi Mnangagwa Forsakes or Comrades embraces Tagwirei as potential successor. When you subscribe or like on the bell icon, the vehicle was purchased by businessman Tagwirei, who immediately donated it back to the EDUNZA fund, supporting the initiative aimed at assisting Zimbabwean students studying at the institution. While some praise the donation, critics argue the extravagant price of the vehicle highlights a stark disconnect between Zimbabwe's elite and the struggling public. The first car of our president selling for $1.8 million is certainly attention-grabbing, but it raises questions about priorities in a country where many students cannot afford the situation, said one social media commentator. Tagwirei defended the purchase as a charitable contribution. I bought the vehicle to help raise funds for Zimbabwean students at UNZA. It is a contribution to education, and I believe it will make a real difference, he said. However, public reaction has been mixed, with many expressing outrage over such displays of wealth, while ordinary Zimbabweans face food insecurity, power shortages, and soaring inflation. A striking image from the event showing Mnangagwa embracing Tagwirei has further fueled speculation about political favoritism in succession plans. Observers argue the gesture subtly signals Mnangagwa's apparent preference for the businessman over war comrades, raising questions about who the ruling elite may be grooming as a potential successor. The $1.8 million auctioned car now stands as a symbol of both philanthropy and controversy, leaving the nation divided over whether such extravagant gesture are appropriate given Zimbabwe's ongoing economic crisis. Toma developments ari pomwe Zimbabwe tukamira nyika achiya selector Tagwirei panema or veterans pina comment section medu za fungo imo tudi pamuswe pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.